Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and these are the perfect headphones for working out. These are the DOVIICO K50 Pro bone conduction headphones. So I really like it for two reasons. One is that when I'm working out, you can still hear what's happening around you. If somebody calls out to you, if somebody calls out your name, you can still hear it because the headphones are not right into your ear. As you can see, they easily just place on top of your ear or to the side of your ear, so they're not bothering any part of your ear. They're perfect for working out, and even if I'm jumping, doing double unders or burpees, whatever I'm doing, these do not move at all. So it's very, very convenient. So if you're looking for a pair of headphones with bone conduction technology, they're very lightweight, they're very good quality, they'll be great for working out, and that is my point of view.